So here's my big project that started in November 2018.
Um, we're gonna bring the cruiser and the boat trailer, so we can pull Joanne's boat. Should we come that way?
Uh,
In about
y-
20 minutes.
yeah, if it's not a problem, yeah. Because I think it'll probably take us 45 minutes to have this out of the way.
I think we'll go that way.
All right. Hey, John.
Hey,
How's it going?
good. That's some action, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, if you need to, if you're in a hurry, you can go up and go around, or you can stay for the entertainment.
Oh yeah, I gotta save the entertainment.
Here we go.
There we go. Yeah. There's a way to drive through around.
Yeah, all you have to do is just go up behind my house, and you'll come out at Sawmill Corner.
I take your offer. Thank you very much.
Yep. You're just in time.
What are you gonna do with that, Jim?
This is Corey.
Hi, Corey. This is the one. This one is the one that I really been wanting to get rid of. A big, ugly, worthless field hog. Definitely, I'm gonna get some firewood out of this deal.
Yeah.
Splitting it is another story.
This sounds silly, but without hurting your back, I'm gonna rev this thing to the nuts. Get on each side and give it a boost.
All right.
Sometimes it don't take much.
All right. Desperate times call for desperate measures. Yeah. It worked.
This has got to be 6 cords or more at 5,000 pounds a cord for green fir, plus a huge pile of slash. So I'm going to say that this project involved about 50,000 pounds of material.